Guys, what's going on here? Phil, and today I'm bringing you guys a brand new video, and in today's video we're going to have a look at this 12-year-old girl who can sneeze 12,000 times in a day. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow my TikTok and Instagram in the description box down below. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get right into this.
That medical mystery, the 12-year-old girl who can't stop sneezing. She sneezes about, are you ready for this, 12,000 times per day. Gio Benitez has her story for us.
Sound out of this.
For 12-year-old Caitlin Thornley, this sound has become painfully familiar.
Oh shit. Oh my god. I'm at
3
times girl.
weeks ago, Caitlin began sneezing, and she hasn't stopped.
I was walking out of a clarinet lesson. All of a sudden, it kind of started in just like little spurts. You know, it was like just a few sneezes here and there, but by the time I went to bed, I'd sneezed 30 times that night.
Caitlin now averaging about 20 sneezes per minute.
I can control it sometimes, but it's really painful.
And so far, doctors at Texas Children's Hospital in Houston haven't been able to figure out exactly what is causing the uncontrollable sneezing, referring to the condition as a tic.
She had kind of a funny feeling that she describes in her nose, and that piece of her history is very common for tics.
It's not the first time doctors have seen bizarre cases like this. In fact, some believe tics may be triggered in the brain, something stressing the child out. 10% of all kids are affected by tics.
She can't go to school and can't really do anything normal. Can't eat well. Has to sip. She can't drink. It's affected everything.
I mean, she had an episode yesterday where it was 45 straight minutes. She was screaming in pain a couple of times. So,
oh, that's bad. I feel sorry for parents.
All I can do is just, hold her tight and wait for her to go to sleep.
And Caitlin, she just wants to get back to 7th grade.
I would do.
This has taken a huge toll on my life. I want nothing more than for this to end. I just want it to be gone for good.
So hard for her to do that interview, and she tells us she can't go to school. The sneezing is just too distracting. She can't be on the swim team. She can't play her clarinet. And just think about this, she can't even sleep. The sneezes just wake her up.
How brave of her, though, to go out and talk about it, because that has to be such a
Really hoping they
debilitating
find a solution.
Yeah.
I can see how it's affecting her parents too. Can't imagine. Thank you, Gio.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow my TikTok and Instagram in the description box down below, and